At Fergus, we know that getting paid for your work matters. That's why we've introduced a powerful new feature to make it easier than ever to request a deposit when sending a quote or estimate. Thanks to our new deposit feature, you can get paid upfront, giving you peace of mind and covering your initial expenses. Start by opening a draft quote or estimate in Fergus. Under the total price, click Add Required Deposit. Next, choose whether you'd like to request a percentage of the total or a fixed dollar amount. Enter the value. If you select a percentage, Fergus will automatically calculate the dollar amount. Finally, once your deposit is added, finalize and publish the quote or estimate as usual. When your client receives the email, they'll find a PDF attachment of the quote or estimate, including the required deposit. By clicking Accept this quote, they're taken to an acceptance page where they can enter their name, add any relevant notes, and agree to your terms of trade if you've uploaded these to Fergus. The deposit invoice will only be generated by Fergus once the customer has accepted the quote or estimate. This helps keep your status board clean, avoiding clutter from unpaid or unnecessary deposit invoices. This deposit invoice will also sync to your accounting package as per normal, and payments will sync back to Fergus too. After the job is done, it's time to invoice the remaining amount. First, head to the Invoicing tab on the left-hand side of the job card. We'll walk through both invoicing from a quote and doing a quick invoice. Let's start by invoicing from a quote. Click Invoice from Quote, then select Invoice the remainder of the quote. Fergus will automatically subtract the deposit already paid. Your invoice will show a line item labelled Remainder of Labour and Materials as quoted. From here, just approve and send the invoice as usual. If you need to invoice each stage of the quote separately, just select the section you want to invoice first. Fergus will automatically subtract the deposit from this initial invoice. For any following progress invoices, the deposit won't be subtracted again. It's already been accounted for. If you're using a quick invoice, select Quick Invoice from the Invoicing tab instead. Any costs you've added to the job card will be pulled into the invoice automatically. The deposit will be clearly shown and deducted from the total, displayed above the subtotal. Once you're happy with the invoice, approve and send it off just like that. And that's it! With Fergus's deposit feature, you can streamline payments, cover upfront costs, and get started with confidence. Start using deposits in your quotes and estimates today and make getting paid even easier.